Hey, I'm Tommy Leaf with Campbell Chrysler. I'm the service manager here.
And I'm Luke Kordsmeyer, general manager. Tommy and I are going to show you what it's like from your point of view when you pull into our dealership to come see our service department. Okay, this is pulling into the front of our dealership. When you pull in, you're going to go right through the gate, come around to where you're going to see 3 bay doors that will be closed or open, and you just make sure that when you're coming in, you can pull to the far left or the far right. You pull up, and all the bay doors are open now. If they were closed, you just pull forward and let them open.
Well, hello.
Hey, Sam.
How are you?
Good. How are you doing?
Pretty good. What can we do for you today?
We need to get oil change, tires rotated, brakes, all of it, Sam.
Brakes on the front and rear?
Absolutely.
No, I can do it.
Okay?
You want me to call you with an estimate?
Yes, ma'am.
All right.
Thank you.
Thank you, my dear.